If you're thinking about turning your property into a profitable Airbnb listing, this book here, Make Money with Airbnb, this is the guide you need. And the reason is the author does a really good job of just really breaking down the process step by step. Just makes it really super accessible, even if you're a complete beginner like me. So one of the standout features for me was just that practical advice from everything from just setting up your listing to optimizing your pricing. And the chapter on breaking even was really, really helpful too. It just really helped me to understand the financial side of things. And there were real life case studies in there, and there were lots of tips on dealing with guests. It's all really, really invaluable. And it's really clear, obviously, the author's had some good hands-on experience and doesn't shy away from addressing some of those potential pitfalls. So the book is absolutely packed with insights that can help you maximize your income and just provide you with some really excellent guest experiences, which is what we want. So look, in short, this really is a must read for just anyone looking to dive into the world of Airbnb hosting.